Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the new car that I bought. This was about a month ago. It's only a daily driver, but I do have some plans for it, so I wanted to go over it. I wanted to show you the car, show you what I plan on doing to it, like what's done to it now, even though it is pretty much stock still. I've done like 2 or 3 little things to it so far. Car's been amazing. So for the past year, I've been dailying a 2009 Mark V Volkswagen Jetta, a 2.5 liter, just a basic car. That was great, but I wanted to upgrade, so I ended up just selling that car, actually to my father. So I ended up buying another car. So I ended up buying this. It is a 2012 Mark 6 Volkswagen Jetta Sportwagen Tdi. Now, I've been wanting a diesel for a while, so I couldn't really find great deals on them. But after the whole Dieselgate scandal that happened a couple years ago, they have been coming down in price a little bit. So I thought it was the perfect time to actually go and get one. So that's what I did. Why I chose a Sportwagen, I kind of just wanted to get the most, in my opinion, I would say unique and harder to find kind of car. I mean, there are a lot of people that have the regular Jetta sedan TDIs or the Golf TDIs. I just think the Sportwagen is just cooler. It's different. I do haul around a lot of car parts when I buy and sell, so I needed something a little bigger. So it definitely was more beneficial for me to get something like this. So just want to show you around it. The car's super clean. Has a little over 91,000 miles now, which is nothing for one of these cars. It is white gold metallic, so in the color, I wasn't 100% fond of it. It has grown on me a little bit though, but it wasn't ideally the color I wanted. I either wanted white or black, but this will have to do. I mean, the car's super clean and I got it for an amazing deal, so I really can't complain. So I'll show you around the whole car. Best thing is that this car came from out of state, so there's no holes in the bumper for the front plate, which keeps the front end looking super clean. So I'm really happy that the car had no holes in the front. Like I said, there really aren't many dings or anything, no dents. Car's super clean. TDI, obviously. Like I said before, I'll show you the inside. It does have the tan, beige interior. I kind of like it. I know a lot of people, prefer the black, but I do like the tan, not gonna lie. Car is manual, obviously. I stated in my other video, that's just my preference of transmission. Too bad it is dying out, but that is my personal preference. It is a 6-speed manual, not like the old TDIs that were a 5-speed. This is a 6-speed. No tears in the leather. The leather is in really good condition. The car is a little dirty. Haven't vacuumed and washed in a couple weeks, but there you go. Car has 91,421 miles. Back seats are super clean. Do have a mess back here. This is mostly just my tools and stuff like that I carry around. I'll show you under the hood. Just it is stock under the hood, but might as well just show you everything while I'm at it. So, just stock TDI for now. There it is. So now, what do I have done to the car now? I have done 2 or 3 things. The first thing, I did change out most of the bulbs from just regular halogen to LED bulbs, which really isn't a crazy mod. I just wanted, I just like the look of LEDs better. So as the train is passing by, it's definitely a little annoying. It's kind of loud, but anyways, yeah. So I did put LEDs all around the car, most of it, and just like I said, it just looks better. Did also add, you see there, the roof racks. Obviously the car doesn't come with the top base bars, but I did buy the roof racks and I got it for a crazy deal. I do plan on putting a roof box on it, just to be able to haul more stuff, and I do like the look of it. So I am going to be adding a roof box to the car as well. And for the past couple days, I have gone with the tune already for the car, even though it is mostly stock. Well, it is stock. you know, I have gone with the tune. I chose to go with a Kerma tune over the Malone tuning. It was kind of a hard decision. You know, I was going back and forth, talking to like a lot of people with their experiences with both tunes, but for what I want to do, I definitely thought Kerma was just a better option for me. Price range is kind of the same, so I mean, like I said, just for what I want to do, I thought the Kerma tune was just better overall, just like I said, for what I'm doing. So I did tune the car. I am going to be making a video probably today. I mean, you guys are going to see it another day, but I'm going to be making a video also today, just reviewing it from like the stock performance to the tune performance. So stay tuned for that, because hopefully, you know, if any of you people that have a TDI, another trade, that's good. That's definitely good. So anyways, if any of you who have a TDI are looking to tune your car, hopefully that helps you make your decision. I will be going over, you know, the benefits of it, how the car feels, you know, fuel mileage, power, all that. I'm going to be going over every single like little detail that I've noticed from driving the car. Now, future plans for this car, like I said, it is a daily, so I'm not trying to go too crazy with it. I'm definitely doing an intake. I'm actually buying one off my buddy for a really good deal. So I will be getting an intake for it really soon. I will be doing also the Kerma inlet pipe for the intake, so that'll be coming as well. What else? I am probably going to lower it. Now, I'm not going to slam the car. I'm just going to probably do H&R springs. Yeah, most likely I'm going to do H&R springs. That's what I've been looking at. Probably a nice like set of wheels. I've been looking at some rotiform wheels maybe for the car, or even some Tarmax or Turbomax from 1552, something like that, just to, you know, keep the car nice and simple. Like I said, I don't want to slam it. I don't want to do anything crazy with it. Like I said, it is a daily. If it does get out of hand, you know, then it's kind of like no point. Well, it'll still be a good daily, but like then it's just another car that I'm spending a ton of money on, when I still have the Mini, you know, that I'm still doing stuff to. More videos coming with the Mini soon. I do have some parts that are going to be coming in soon, stuff that I am ordering soon for the car, so stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, and one thing that I'm not going to be doing that most, you know, TDI people do, I'm not going to be deleting the DPF. I'm going to keep it emissions friendly. You know, I know it would be cool to delete it. It's going to sound good and all that stuff. But probably what I'm just going to be doing, I'm probably just going to do like a muffler delete for the car, just to give it a little more sound, a little more rumble, but I'm not going to be doing the whole DPF delete. I just, for what I want it for, it's just not a good idea. I don't want to be, you know, rolling coal and, you know, blowing soot everywhere and just, you know, attracting attention to a car that I'm just trying to, like, you know, go to and from work and just long distance drives, vacations, things like that. I'm just trying not to, you know, make this car just a cop magnet. I just don't think there's a really big reason to do that. So I am going to be keeping the DPF, which is another reason why I did choose to go with Kerma. I will explain that in my next video. So, like I said, guys, this is my Mk6 Jetta Sportwagen. I love it so far. I mean, for what I got it for, the miles are relatively low. For a TDI, you know, this car is going to last forever as long as it's maintained properly. These things are just workhorses. They can go 300, 400, 500,000 miles plus, and you know, I've known a couple of people with some Mark IV TDIs that have 400 or 500,000 miles on the clock, and they still drive like they're brand new. I mean, yeah, they're rusted out and all that stuff, but still the engine, trans, all that stuff is, you know, in excellent condition. So I really am excited. You know, I will be filming and I will be taking videos of everything I do to the car, every mod I do, all the installs. I will be taking videos of that. So like I said, stay tuned for my next video. I will be making it shortly. Obviously, you guys are going to see it on another day. But I'm going to be going over the Kerma tune, what I think about it. And hopefully you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, just let me know. And hopefully you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching.